Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Good morning everyone, myself Sarvesh Sandeep Londe. Today I am going to represent the topic of foundation transformer. Micro project group details. In my group there are 5 members. The content of my project is: what is transformer, construction, principle, power losses, history, types of transformer, application. What is transformer? An electric device which changes given an alternating EMF to a large or smaller alternating EMF. It is like a power converter that transfer electrical energy from one circuit to another through the inductive couples conductor. Example: transformer coil. Transformer are used in our homes to keep voltage up to 220 volt. Construction. It consists of an iron core on which two stepper coils of induced copper wire are wound. The coil to which AC power voltage is supplied to primary coil. The coil to which this power is described to the circuit in secondary coil. The secondary coil has a load resistance connected to a safety transformer from being heating up. These coils have an electrically linked as they have magnetic link. Principle. The transformer works on the principle of mutual inductance. The changing current in primary coil induced an EMF in secondary coil. The mutual Faraday's leads foundation of this basic principle in 1831. Faraday's performed the first experiment of the induced between the coil of wire, induced winding a pair of coil around an iron ring, thus creating the first closed core transformer. However, he only applied the induced pulse of current to his transformer and never discovered the relation between the turns in ratio and EMF in the coil. Power losses. Eddy current. By changing the flux through a solid conductor, the induced current are set up within the body of the conductor in a direction perpendicular to the flux, which are eddy current. Since our iron core is free magnetic material, so it allows these currents to pass through the whole body of the conductor, causing heating of a core of conductor. This is a power loss in the transformer shown in the above figure. To reduce this, the core should be made of illumination steel, which stops the flow of eddy current. Power losses. Hysteresis loss. The energy spent in the magnetic and dismagnetic of the core of transformer is also hysteresis loss. This loss in the energy is experienced by using BH, magnetic flux density, B, and F, flux density H, cover for a specific floor magnetic material. History. The first type of transformer to see wide used was the induced coil. Within the Ray between the 1830 and the 1870 efforts to build better induced coil, mostly by the trailer and error, slowly reduced the basic principle of transformer. Type of transformer. Step-up transformer. A transformer in which the voltage across the secondary is greater than primary voltage is called a step-up transformer. In this type of transformer, number of turns in secondary coil is greater than in the primary coil. So this creates the greater voltage across the secondary coil to get more output voltage than given through the primary coil. Step-down transformer. A transformer in which the voltage across the secondary is lesser than the primary voltage is called a step down transformer. In this type of transformer, number of turns in secondary coil is lesser than that in the primary coil, so the create lesser voltage across the secondary coil, so we get low output voltage then given through the primary coil. Application: transformer with the severe secondary are used in the television and radio receiver where the service different voltage across voltage are required. Thank you.
Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.